Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best 14 affiliate programs you can start promoting them right now with no effort to make money online. And now quickly let's begin with the first program, that is AdCreative.ai. One of the best platforms out there to create attractive ad creatives posts on social media to promote your products, your website, and so on using AI. Here you can promote this amazing website for many people who are interested in promoting social media presence and so on. And AdCreative.ai affiliate program is found in this amazing website, that is partnerstack.com. It's a beautiful platform that contains hundreds or even thousands of affiliate programs, including selfie, landpad, workable, and much more. So you can join this amazing website for free and join AdCreative affiliate program specifically to promote it right now. And the second affiliate program quickly, that is for sure Canva.com. Yes, we all know Canva.com, one of the best platforms where you can create attractive social media posts, articles, videos, and much more. So here you can actually join its affiliate program to be Canva ambassador or Canva assetter right now. However, you've got to have a social media account on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube that talks only about the Canva content. Canva tutorials, how you can use Canva to make designs, how to use Canva to make editing video, images, and so on. And at least 1,000 followers or subscribers to join its affiliate program. And the third affiliate program that I recommend you right now, that is Fiverr affiliates. For sure, Fiverr, one of the biggest freelancing platforms that contains thousands of different gigs and services about any topic in any niche. So here you can join this affiliate program for free with quick approval and start promoting any gig you want or even any page you like on Fiverr.com. And the next affiliate program in this video, that is FamSwap.com. If you don't know FamSwap.com, it's an amazing website that is specialized for selling and buying different social media accounts or social media pages. As here you can actually buy any social media page in TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest for a fee. So like this one, for example, here you can get an account, ready account on TikTok with 10,000 followers just for $100 and so on and so forth. And of course you can promote this amazing program for many people who are looking to get their business on social media with ready followers, with no more effort to get followers or subscribers, and actually start promoting their products directly to this audience. So you can promote FamSwap.com right now. And the next platform to promote its program, of course, is Yazing.com. One of the stunning websites out there for affiliates, especially for newbie in affiliate marketing, because Yazing.com, you can take it as a cashback website where you can actually find hundreds or even thousands of brands and stores, and you can get cashback if you sell one of them, or you can promote these brands and get rewards or commissions, in other words. And of course, I talked about this amazing website in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So here in Yazing, you can get amazing brands and stores and start promoting them right now for different topics. And the next affiliate program right now is Systemio.io, one of the best websites to generate landing pages where you can promote anything you want for free. So you can promote this amazing website right now and get your affiliate link directly after you join it for free. And the next tool, that is Opera.com, one of the best affiliate programs I recommend you in this video, because Opera.com has a good reputation in email marketing with an affordable price. So here you can promote Opera.com affiliate program for many customers, for many entrepreneurs who want to make an emailing list and they promote their stuff to their audience. So if you have a look at pricing plans on Opera.com, and you can find affordable pricing plans as you want, starting with free, light, plus, and unlimited. So after joining its affiliate program, you can promote this Uber.com to get decent commissions. And the next platform to promote that is Gumroad.com. For sure, we all know Gumroad, one of the best platforms where you can sell your digital products. But how about promoting its digital products without making these products? So here you can join Gumroad affiliate program to promote any product you want and get 20% commission of any item you like. And of course, I just talked about this amazing affiliate program and how to make money of it. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. And the next platform, that is creativemarket.com, where you can actually join its affiliate program and start promoting its items as you see: presets, designs, graphics, fonts, and so on, and likewise on creativefabrica.com. And the next program, that is audible.com from Amazon. Of course, sure, you can actually promote any audiobook or the audiobook landing page for many people, for different genders and different ages. So you can promote what they love by using Audible affiliate program and get amazing commissions, starting with $5 for the free trial. That is 1 month free trial for your customer without any cost on him. Then if he upgrades his plan, you will get $10 or even $15 per client. And the next affiliate program, VidIQcom, if you are interested in YouTube tutorials, how to make money from YouTube and so on. So you can promote one of the most common and the most flexible Chrome extensions. It helps more content creators on YouTube to grow better, to grow bigger, to get more subscribers, views, and much more. So you can promote vidIQ as a Chrome extension with a free version, and then anyone who is interested in make it bigger and get more features, he would be upgraded and you will get your commissions. vidIQ, and for sure tubebuddy.com. And the next website to promote its program, that is nvideo.io. Here you can actually promote one of the best websites out there using AI to make short videos to promote anything they want using AI. So for sure, the most readable website is nvideo.io. And of course, you can find this affiliate program on impact.radius and so on. And the next platform to promote it is Etsy.com affiliate. Yes, for sure, Etsy has an amazing affiliate program to promote anything, any item, including print on demand, t-shirts, skirts, and so on, or handmade items, or home decor, and so on. Therefore, you can get to this page, join our affiliate program, and click over this button, apply now, and you'll be taken to this network of Owen.com, where you can actually join its affiliate program. So in today's video, you got to know the best affiliate programs to start right now to promote it and to make money online without any effort, with no strings attached. By the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.